Hello everyone, today we are going to make a cookie. First of all, I will count you our ingredients. Firstly, you need some butter, a packet of vanilla extract, a packet of baking powder, and you need an egg, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a packet of drage, a tea glass of pekmez, a glass of sugar, and 3 glasses of flour. And you need some cookie cutters. So we can start. Firstly, we will add our butter into the bowl. And you can add your sugar, a glass of sugar. Then we can knead it. Secondly, we can add our egg, 1 egg. Then keep kneading. When you need butter, sugar and egg, you can add your pekmez. A tea glass of pekmez. You can go on kneading. So then you can add your ginger and cinnamon. A teaspoon ginger and a teaspoon cinnamon. And now we can add our 3 glasses of flour. Then you can keep kneading. Now we can add our baking powder and vanilla extract. Then you can keep kneading. So we have kneaded our dough. Now you have to keep it in the fridge for an hour. Okay, our dough is ready. So we are going to shape it. Take some dough and roll it. After rolling, spread it. We are going to use our cutters. Firstly, I will use my child. Then make ornaments. Yes, it will be ready. This is our child. And I'm going to make a tree. I will roll it. And spread it. And make tree. It's here. Now with my drages, I will make some ornaments on it. I will use my drages. Green one. And yellow one. For Christmas tree, we can use pink, orange, blue, another pink one, and yellow one. After shaping them, we can bake them in 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then it will be ready. While you are baking them, you can take some videos and send us. Thank you very much. Enjoy it. Our cookies are ready now. It looks really delicious. You can try it and enjoy it.